Hello class, welcome again. We are going to prepare a dilute solution of sodium hydroxide. We are going to use our burette to measure a volume of 25 centimeters cubed. But as you transfer the solution into the burette, it is important to use the funnel so that you make accurate delivery of the liquid. Also, you make sure that your burette is well closed so that when you put the solution, it does not leak. So you fill the burette up to the 0 mark. When you place the solution, make sure it goes beyond the 0 mark to allow you adjust it later so that you balance the meniscus properly. So I have placed the solution into the burette. I will use this beaker to measure the solution of 25 centimeters cubed. But first I have to adjust the volume to 0 mark. You hold the beaker having the solution below the burette and adjust the tap. So class, we have the mark at 0. Now we can go ahead and measure 25. We shall open the tap to run the solution up to 25 number. That will have given us 25 centimeters cubed. So I run out the solution into the beaker, which I'll use to transfer the solution. When it is about to reach 25, you ensure it moves slowly so that you don't run out excess than what you require. So we are at 24.5. Then eventually we are there. We have obtained 25 centimeters cubed. After measuring the solution, you need to transfer it into the volumetric flask. We are going to use a 1 liter volumetric flask, and before we transfer the solution, we need to rinse to make sure it is clean enough so that our solution will not be contaminated. So I transfer my 25 centimeters cubed carefully into the volumetric flask. After making the transfer, we used this beaker to measure the solution, so it might have part of the liquid remaining. So as we start adding the dilute to dilute the solution, rinse the beaker you used to transfer with some distilled water, just to make sure that all the solution is transferred. Transfer it into the flask. After taking that precaution, the solution is ready for dilution. We have our distilled water in the wash bottle, which we are going to add into the volumetric flask. But as you add, it is important to take note. The flask has a mark on the neck, which we call up to the mark. This mark indicates the place where the 1000 centimeter cubic should reach. So we should add our distilled water up to that level to make sure that we prepare 1 liter of this solution. Allow me to undo the top to deliver the distilled water quickly into the volumetric flask. We should fill it up to the mark. So after adding that distilled water, the process should continue until it reaches where the mark is, after which you will close and hold the flask upside down to ensure that the solution mixes uniformly to enable you to obtain a standardized solution that you can use for your various processes.